How to fix TikTok not opening problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today in this following video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix TikTok not opening or not working. So if you're having issue with TikTok not working, then if the first thing, it could mean that TikTok could be down. That means the server status when it fails to open up. You could then try restarting the TikTok app. So for that, first of all, do this: long press the TikTok application, go to the app info section, and then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear data as well as storage. So you could actually go ahead and try fixing it. If not, you could also go ahead and reinstall the application. That should be able to fix it. These are some of the ways to fix your TikTok not opening problem. Or else what you could do is you could restart your device and wait for a couple of hours or maybe a minute, and that should be able to fix your issue. So these are the ways to fix TikTok not opening. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.